So I've had it for a couple weeks now, and I thought I would come back and share with you some of my experience with it. So this is a day where I should have never been flying and tried to do this with the drone, but somehow the day was speaking to me. It was windy. This water is normally dead calm, and you could see the waves on it. It was really windy. That's how impressive this drone has been in those kind of conditions. These shots are pretty stable, I have to say, given that it's only a 2-axis gimbal and it was crazy windy out. The other thing about this day is the sun was so bright. I mean, crazy, crazy bright. But I still think, look at this image. I think overall the image quality is really good. I'm just coming back again to say that I've really enjoyed this drone. I think it's awesome. We'll see you next time.